Good evening, Diamonds, and welcome to tonight's session where we are discussing recruiting statistics that you must know to be successful in our business. Because recruiting is very key for your growth, is very key for your success in our business. Because you cannot achieve a certain level by yourself, and you cannot build a certain level of volume by yourself. That's where the team comes in. In the team ingena lapho, because mawedwa you can only do so much, but we as a team you can do a lot. So that is what we are discussing tonight with you. Siyaka kanjani le business, se recruit, and then ama-studies athini about recruiting. Lokho kuzokusiza to understand your team, to understand your business, and how much you must recruit. And also to tell you, there's nothing wrong with your team. After we discussed the training tonight, you look at your team and realize where the problem is exactly. It might not be exactly what you thought it is. Because we have a lot of people complaining about their teams, that my team is not working. So, but without really analyzing the team on its own, how big is the team? And what are the numbers within the team? The breakdown of the team in terms of those that just joined and did nothing, those that joined but are selling product to a small group of people and enjoying the products themselves, and then those that join, but they are selling the products, they are using the products, but also presenting to others about the benefits of the business and the benefit of joining the business. They are actually out recruiting. You can see we have those that join and do absolutely nothing after joining. We have those that join who are using the product and selling a little bit of the products. We have those that have joined who are selling a little bit of the products, who are using the products, also presenting the business for recruiting. So they are doing the three activities. Then there's another type that is doing everything it takes to sell a lot of products, to use a lot of products, to recruit a lot of people. They are focusing on doing just the activities. So there are different types of FBOs in the nutshell. So as soon as you understand the different types of the FBOs, that will give you an understanding why things happen the way they do in your team, based on the size of the team you have and the type of FBOs you have in your team, if you have a team. So that's very, very, very important, my leaders. We look at and we break it down so that by the end of the session, we understand why we are where we are and then what we need to do to get to where we want to get to. So good evening and welcome, my diamonds. Welcome. Leaders, we are really blessed and highly favored to be in this business. I always say that, I say that a lot, or we are blessed and highly favored. But I really honestly believe that for leaders, if you join the business like forever, and you are willing to learn what it takes to be successful, and you are teachable, you do what you are taught every day, do activities that you are taught, you will definitely guarantee to be successful at some point. The problem of a lot of people, they are not teachable. They want to do the business the way they want, not according to the way they are taught the business and how the business works. So that's what makes a difference kubantu abafika baphumelele nabantu abangaphumeleli inhlobo ebhizinisi laka forever. Inkinga akusibhizinisi ngokwalo, inkinga akusumuntu ngokwakhe, ama-decision awayenzayo. That's the problem, where the problem lies. So let's look at this. It is very, very important. Know the members. Focus on what matters most. Take action and achieve success. So ibaluleke kakhulu ke diamonds. The power of lifetime recruits. This means 98% of all network marketing distributors are effectively tourists. I'll repeat that, my diamonds. Mayungayibamba la ngeke usalimazwa ukuthi ethimini yami bayasebenza abathimini yami abasebenzi. These are ama-studies ayenziwe ama-scientists aba-research in-network marketing business ukuthi 98% yabantu abajoyina i-network marketing bangama-tourist, banjengabavakashi abazongena babone bandlule bahambe baphume or bayihlalele. It's only 2% yabantu abangenayo ebhizinisini abafika balakhe ngempela. Ngizoyiphinda futhi because le mongayi-understand ngeke usalimazwa ukuthi abantu abasebenzi, uzobheka amanamba nje ukuthi kahle hle nginamanamba enough because mangirecruit abantu abawu-10 this year kusho ukuthi ngizoba nabantu abayi-2 kahle hle out of the 10 ngoba i-2 actually 2 is 20% of 10 out of 10 kusho ukuthi kahle hle kune-possibility ukuthi bangasebenzi even bonke. Athi sibone ukuthi na what is ilona oh okay ngenza nje ithotolo oh 2% of 10. I want 2% of 10. Ten. .2. About 10. The likelihood yokuthi ube nabantu abasebenzayo for a long term out of the 10 is 0.2. So, but I know a lot of people are numbers dyslexic. Ningakhathazeki ninenhlako amanamba nizo-understand masiqhubeka. Why recruiting is the heart of our business. At any moment in time, approximately 70% of all the distributors have recruited 0 other distributors. Shoti 70% yabantu abarecruitayo abarecruit umuntu bona abantu abawu-10 i-7 yonke ngeke recruit umuntu. So isho ukuthi if amanamba wakho okurecruita phansi, your chances of having ama-downline arecruitayo aphansi nawo. Approximately 20% have recruited between 1 and 2 people. So out of that 10 yama distributor wakho 7 awa recruit umuntu totally, and then only 2 recruit between 1 and 2 people. So 5% of that will recruit between 3 to 5 people. About 3% have recruited between 6 and 9 people, and leave just 2% of all distributors who have recruited 10 or more. My diamonds, ngifuna sikhulume ngoba amalona wethu ne avuliwe. If you want to ask a question, don't mind to unmute and ask, because this is very important. Ngoba abantu baningi bakhala ngokuthi I have no new recruits. Sorry, i-team yami ayisebenzi, i-team yakho ayisebenzi. Then the question is, kahle hle e-teamini yakho nabantu abayingaki? Mawuzobona mawufuna ukwazi iqiniso checka bayingaki abantu onabo eteamini. Because ama statistics enza ama professional ku network marketing athi 70% yalabantu abajoyinisile ngeke bayenze lutho. Ayenzeki kuwe kuphela, yenzeka kuwo wonke umuntu osebhizinisini. Nabo laba babo number 1 nabo 70% yabantu baba ba recruit umuntu. 20% recruiter 1 to 2, and then 5% recruiter between 3 to 5, and then another 3%, 5% 3 to 5, and then 3% only recruit between 6 and 9 people, and then only 2% really recruit 10 or more people in lifetime, not just one year, lifetime in the business. So Monga understand that. Please let me just ask you understand just that. Monga understand. Please unmute and ask. Mo understand that. Give me a number 2 in the comment section. Google evening, Mr. Robert. Google evening. Nagi na 8. 8. Oh, we're now at the 8 leadership. Okay, good. We are on your way there to more than 10 and above. To fall into the 10%, you need to have recruited 10 or more. Go fit that 10 and start recruiting more people after 10. That's when you fall within the last 2%. Yeah, of those people that really come in and really build a successful business. So if you understand, please give me number 2 in the comment section. If you don't understand, please unmute and ask or type your question.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, if kinali li 8, which means kisa shota ka 2, or at least kibeli 10 people.
Ufika 10. We're top 10%. 2%, so top 2% yabantu baba joinile network marketing business.
Okay.
So but to join a network marketing, but build ba be successful for business thing. It's only the top 2%. They recruit 10 and where would you yabat.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Sure. So anyone want to ask any question relating to these statistics? And then if you understand, just put number 2 in the comment section. I know others just joined now. This is very important. I haven't even one that understand. Okay. Thank you so much, Rebecca Maboya. Thank you, my leader. Sophie Mujela, Sentule Sohodi, iPhone or Sisbus. And then thank you, my leaders. Nanya understand. When I understand, please unmute. Repeat again. Mau recruiter Elon mau joinisa abantu ebusinessini ama studies abantu abayenza research ba research business lethu le network ukuthi lisebenza kanjani ukuthi abantu bangabi frustrated ebusinessini lakhe acabanga ukuthi something is wrong ngaye. Lot of people ba complain ukuthi abantu abasebenzi team yami abantu abasebenzi team yami ayisebenzi. So siyesithi okay mawuthi team yakho ayisebenzi asibheka ama numbers kuya ngale research abayenzile abanolwazi bathi kubantu ozoba recruiter bonke and iyenzeka kuwo wonke umuntu ayenzeki kuwe ngoba umusha ayenzeki kuwe ngoba uyenjani iyenzeka kuwo wonke umuntu osebhizinisini le network. Mawurecruit abantu 70% ye team yakho izojoina ingayenzi lutho ingarecruit nomuntu oyi1. Ngayenza umzekelo ngabantu abawu10 ukuthi mawurecruit abantu abawu10 i7 izojoina ngeke recruit nomuntu oyi1 out of the 10 oba recruitile. ayenzeki kuwe kuphela, yenzeka kuwo wonke umuntu. Approximately between 20% is a recruiter between 1 and 2 people kuphela kwimpilo yabo ku-business labo laka Forever. We recruiter just 1 person to 2 people. But 5% yona is a recruiter between 3 to 5 people. Only 3% is a recruiter between 6 to 9 people in their lifetime a business thing. Then these top 2%, a recruiter more than 10 people from 10 kuyaphezulu. And abantu abaphumelelayo batholakala kule 2%. A recruiter more than 10 people kuyaphezulu. So kuloko kusho ukuthini omunye nomunye ufuna ukuba aphumelele kule business laka Forever, omunye ama-millionaires aka Forever, or just ahole kahle kwa Forever, or aqualify ama-incentive business laka Forever, ufanele uthi alwele ukuba kuleya 2% yokurecruiter 10 and more people. As long as usanabantu aba less than 10 ubajoyinisile, usawela ngaphansi kwe that 98%. Enga-achieve much ku-business network. Yebo ba-enjoya i-product yaka Forever kumnandi. Yebo ba-enjoya environment yokuba ethimini abantu aba-positive kumnandi. Yebo bayathengisa nyana banama-customer bazenzele i-profit kwabanye kumnandi lokho. Omunye nebonus nyana likhona noma lingasilingako, but uhappy unestimnyana yakhe encane ayiservisayo, and then uyaziholela boma 10,000-15,000 then kuphelile. But abantu abafika bakhe ema-team ba-build from 0 to 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000, 100,000, 250,000, $500,000, million rand ngama-bonus. Yilaba the top 2% aba recruit more than 10 and more. I hope now you understand. Please, if you understand, lama numbers, give me a number 3 in the comment section. Manga understand nakona still unmute and ask. Ungazi unmute abuze ukuthi na la ngokubambi kahle. Ukuthi basuka la siyahamba manje, mara sizoba repeat the same thing before singena kwindawo yokurecruit. Man, see break it down one by one. Give me number 3, manga to understand so far after the repeating. If you might understand, please open and ask. Or Juliet Suyabamba, world awesome leadership. Thank you so much. Suyabamba man, you are told. So kumele silwele kuba kuleya 2% yokuthi si recruit more than 10 people in our teams. Mawudla 10 yabantu suyazi singiyakha manje Forever. Sengizoba nabantu abasebenzayo phansi kwami. So if unabantu aba less than 10 eteamini yakho, ungakhali nokukhala ngokuthi hey team yami ayisebenzi. Awukakafiki kulelo lizinga. Abana mawuso recruiter boma 20 people, 25 people ngonyaka. Then ungakhala ngokuthi team yami ayisebenzi. If usa recruiter less than 10 people ngonyaka, then ungawarisheki noma unabantu abaningi bangasebenzi, uyothola ukuthi numbers eziyenza ukuthi ungabi nabo abantu aba-active eteamini yakho. Ukhona ozoba nenhlanhla aqale ngomuntu opowerful, recruit umuntu oyi-1, lo muntu wakho oyi-1 kube one of the most hardest working people ever in this industry. Yenzeka. But lokho manje sewurelya kwinhlanhla, urelya kuma-statistics impela we-business, urelya enhlanhleni. That's the problem. Awufuni ukurelya kwinhlanhla kwe-business, ufanele urelye kuma-principles and then real systems ezimgomo we-business ezilewe down ukuthi mawufuna ukuphumelela yenza lokhu nalokhu nalokhu nalokhu, every day yenza lokhu nalokhu nalokhu nalokhu. When us focus on doing those daily activities, don't worry about the result will follow. The more consistent you are, at some point you are bound to start seeing results. They are most then so we need more than 10 recruits to build a business that lasts. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi sonke sifuna ukwakha ibhizinisi elilastayo. So from the last slide number 1 sibonile ukuthi kahle ube successful kumele ube nabantu aba more than 10 kuya phezulu. Uqala ukuthi ngakha i-team osondlule ku more than 10 people ngokurecruit. If ungasaphasana ku-10 awukakabe ne-team engathi sengiqalile ukwakha. Unayo i-team yebo, but usashawa ama-statistic yokuwela kuleya top 2% yokuthi ama-studies abonisa ukuthi yibo abantu abanokuphumelela ebhizinisini lethu, abantu abarecruite more than 10 people kuya phezulu. So wonke umuntu ojoyinile, they are mostly buying products at discount, selling few products, or they are dabbling with idea of entrepreneurship. So ama-entrepreneur, abantu abayibonayo as a business, who are now starting to really focus on learning the industry, learning the business, and doing the activities that produces results ebhizinisini lethu. Yila sonke siyifuna khona, and it's only 2%. Abantu abakhona ukurecruita 10 or more people. So sibuyeleni futhi sibheke kahle. Lifetime recruit. Where do we stand? When we take a close look at the 2% of distributors who recruit 10 or more, we begin to see a clearer picture. Unlike the other 98% who are tourists, the 2% pretty much drive everything. They are responsible for approximately 70% of all recruiting, averaging more than 27 recruits each. So becoming the 2%, cross the threshold and change your story. So if you're less than 10, lwela ukudlula that threshold ye 10 ukuthi uwele kuya 2% and start recruiting aggressively. Because if 70% yabantu abajoyinile eteamini yakho bangama-tourist, 20% they are beginners. Laba baseba recruit 1 to 2 people. And then abasa builder among recruiting, baseba recruited between the 5%, between 3 to 5. Abashowa isanyo yokuthi ucommitted ebhizinisini. So closest 6 to 9. But business builders bangaphezu kwa 10 and more. So sonke silana suwela somewhere kulama categories. Tourist, beginner, building, committed, or business builder. So analyze a business like mina ngikuphi. And ungakhohlwa isikhathi onaso ebhizinisini ukuthi yebo mhlambe wena usase tourist ngoba uqeda ukujoina izolo, ujoine mhlambe yena lo ngoJuly awukakajoinisi umuntu. So you lapho because of that, you are still new in the business. But you know that your aim is to become a business builder. That's very important. That you might be a tourist, usase 0, or beginner, so now 1 to 2 downlines, or you are building because now between 3 to 5 people, or committed to say 6, we are between 6 and 9. You can, all of us can graduate ukubama business builders, because impumelelo ile kuma business builders, the top 10%, the top 2%, is a recruited 10 plus downlines. I hope siyayithola Diamonds. Before move lana nakhona ngicela ukuzwa in the comment section ukuthi niyayibamba niyayithola yini. Give me a number 4 if we understand. If we understand, just unmute and ask. Be clear, because this is very important, my leaders. Thank you, Ms. Rodi, with number 4. We tourist, we beginner. Are you building? Are you committed? Or business builder? Thank you, Mam Rebecca. Juliet, thank you so much for number 4. Please, understand, please, pretend futhi ungasabi vula lama trends senzele uthi siphume la understand sonke ukuthi masiphuma la we are going to build successful businesses. We are going to focus on what matters most and build massive businesses, become business builders, and start achieving our goals. Thank you, leadership, Lindiwe Mnyakeni. Thank you, my leaders. Please, Mama, understand, just unmute and ask I understand. Ukuze masiphuma lana uya understand, because uwela somewhere. Akekho neutral. Sonke silana kunala uwela khona. Kunala uwela khona. As a business builder, or tourist, or beginner, business we are building, or else committed, or business builder, you are most likely going to achieve your goals. You're going to be successful if you go that up 2%. I'm a business builder. So, what I understand. So, on average, I recruited only 27 people each. 70% of the 2%. So let's move on. When they graduate into this 2%, their real business journey begins. But wait, this was done by top network marketing gurus in research. Ogoti, your chances of becoming successful is when you reach that threshold, your top 2%. Abantaba recruited 10 or more downlines. When you reach that level, your actual business journey begins. Before you figure out 10, my leaders. But as soon as you shall at threshold 10, ila uqalile manje your business journey. Yila khona uqala ukuba nama-downliner active, a-recruitayo, ayenza ama-presentation njengawo, a-attendayo njengawo. If usala less than 10, my diamonds uyohlala ukhala ukuthi i-team yami I-attend, i-team yami I recruit, i-team yami ayenza ama-presentation. Akusi-team yakho inkinga. Ayikakakhuli enough ukuba nabantu aba-enough kungaqala uba nama-statistics yokuthi uthole abantu aba-active within your team. Kungakho kumele sifocus ekwakheni business ukuthi sonke sibe ku that 2%, singabe ama-tourist ebhizinisini. Because mawuwela ngaphansi kuleya 2% ungakafi ndlula 10 yabantu eteamini yakho, usasa kuleya group noma committed upusha, at some point uzondlula kule leya group yama-tourist. But kuya ngama-studies ithi ungasayeka anytime, because angeke usheshe ubone ama-results. So if ufocus eteamini yakho uyohlalela ukucomplain. So udinga abo-sponsor nabo-upline bakubonise njengathi njengale training yanamuhla ukuthi hayi kahle kahle kuze uze ubone ube nabantu abanyakazayo eteamini yakho ungathi usewuyabuilda uzoba nama key people in your team who are highly likely going to build successful businesses. Is when you have recruited 10 or more people. After udlula threshold ye-10 people over recruitile ukhula uyaphezulu, that's when you are most likely going to start seeing leaders starting to emerge in your downline. So this one iyenza ukuthi urecruite ngathi yahlanya. Kune video lena engihlala ngisharela yona ethi recruite ngathi yahlanya. So more understand lama statistics yiwo azokwenza to recruit like uyahlanya, because you know now what really makes a difference between abantu aba successful nabantu abastruggle ebhizinisini ukurecruit. Abantu aba recruit enough numbers, whether by understand the business or by understand, at some point they become successful. So asilweleni kuphuma kule group yama tourists singeneni kuma business builders, the top 2%, about recruited 10 or more, who are building, who are recruiting more people after a reach 10. So ufaka more downlines. Why recruiting is the heart of the business. Expand your distribution network, ikhulisa team yakho, recruit, ukhulisa team yakho. And then recruiter ku increase, kukhulisa ama case credit. Recruiter ku build a leadership depth. Uzoba nama leader. Because the more recruiter, the more uzo attract le hlobo labantu luzofika liyenze ngendlela business. As long as you recruiter, you'll never fail. Whether team yakho yasebenza kwamanje or abasebenzi kwamanje, as long as you recruiter, you are going to be successful. Akuyenzeki kuzofika la kungena abantu aba powerful kule business lakho. As long as you don't give up, you keep recruiting. No matter what is happening in your, keep recruiting in your team. Keep recruiting. Whether bayasebenza, whether basebenzi, keep recruiting. I'm telling you, you are going to be successful at some point. You'll have the type of people you are looking for. And recruiter will create that duplication. Mama downline wakanga recruit, as long as you keep recruiting, kuzofika la kungena umuntu ofika recruiter njengawe. Kufika ungena downline lakho elifika lithengisa njengawe. Kungena downline lakho elifika liattende njengawe. Kufike kungena downline elizofika lenza ama presentation njengawe. Kungena downline elizokhula libe manager lenza ama training, litrain ama team wabo, liqala qualify ama incentive, libe ilona eagle manager, from eagle limove on achievable forever to drive, limove on liqala achievable ma global rally, limove on achievable chairman's bonus, limove on level up, limove on libe GLT. As long as you're recruiting, you'll have those type of people in your team. When you run out of chances of ever succeeding in your team, is when you stop recruiting. You know you'll never achieve duplication if you recruit. But now recruiter, no matter what you are present, recruiter bakwethu akusho ukuthi bayajoyina. Kusho ukuthi wena awuyeki ukupresentela abantu kuba recruiter ukuthi bajoyine, awuyeki ukufollow up abantu ukuthi bajoyine. Whether bajoyina ngabajoyini wena uqhubeka uyapresenta uyenza follow up. Akujiki ama statistics ayabonisa ukuthi after a certain number of people kuzoba nenumber ejoyinayo. Mawuthola abantu abawu-10 bathi siyajoyina ngempela, 2 izojoyina ngempela. 2 izojoyina ngempela. Shuthi uyapresenta uzothola abantu abawu-10 abathi noma kanjani siyajoyina kule nyanga. Ngiyakutshela mona abantu abawu-10 ngeke bakudisappointe bonke bawu-10. 2 yona iyongena. 20% ele 10 ethi siyajoyina ngo-August. 2 izongena ngempela. Ayenzeki kuwe kuphela bakwethu. Iyenzeka kuwo wonke umuntu. 80-20 rule, the Pareto principle. So more understand lezi zinto ngeke usalimala mawubona ukuthi wazi benginabantu abawu-2 or 3 bathi bajoyina ngabonke. Mawubuyela ku Pareto principle, if bayi-3 bakutshengisa ukujoyina ngo-August bangajoyina ngabonke, vele kumele kube njalo. It's at least more nabantu abawu-10 abathembisa ukujoyina, where you will have at least 2 ejoyina ngempela. Ukurecruiter kuzobuildela i-team usheshe ufike kwa-manager. If umuntu orecruitayo ufocus ekurecruiteni ngoba i-team yakho iyakhula, at some point uba ne-duplication, kunabantu abayenza yonke into oyenzayo, nabayakhama wabo ama-team bayakhula, ba-achieve wabo ama-goal, then i-volume iqala ukukhula e-teamini, then iqala ukuwina as a team. So understand that, my leaders, no recruiting, no growth. No growth, no income. No promotion, no achieving incentives. When you recruit, and recruit abakwethu is not about being good. It's about consistency of presenting. Ne follow up. Ngizoyiphinde futhi. Recruiting my leaders, it's not about being good. Recruiting, it's about doing presentation consistently and following up consistently. Abantu abayenza ama-presentation yokubonisa abantu every day, ufuna abantu angababonisa business. Every day ufuna abantu ababonisa business. Every day uyenza ama-presentation kubantu abatholile abafuna ukubona, uyababonisa, wabapresentela i-business. Every day yena ufuna abantu azobabonisa i-business, laba abatholayo abafuna ukubona i-business uyabapresentela. And then uyabhala phansi abathembisa ukujoin, uyabhala phansi wabarekhoda abathembisa ukujoin, abangana interest uba uzama kuba convert bebe ba-custom ukuthi bathenge i-product bayo-try on. Le number abantu abathembisa ukujoyina izokhula iyofika la indlula ko-10. Ngoba ulanda i-Pareto principle ithi 20% yabantu abakuthembisa ukujoyina iyo izojoyina ngempela. Kusho ukuthi moba yi-10 abathe siyangena, 2 izongena ngempela. Moba yi-100 abathe siyajoyina, 20 izongena ngempela. Uyabona ukuthi bayi-10 udisappointa yi-8, it's only 2 who actually come in. So ubo-counter ke umuntu athi ngiyajoyina angajoyini to 1, omunye athi ngiyajoyina angajoyini 2, ajothi ke uze ufike ku-9, 10, ubona number 8, number 9 uye wangena, number 10 uye wangena. Sometimes it can happen early, number 1 angene, but number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bangangeni, kuyongena number 7, 8, 9, 10 bangangeni. So ungalimali, mina abantu uzozibona ngathi unebhadi. Lama statistics yakutshela kahle ukuthi awunabhadi. Actually kuyenzeka kuwo wonke umuntu okuleli business. Ziyazi la wabona baphumelela bona, they speak to more people per day, and then ba end up abathola more numbers zabantu abapromisayo, ba end up bebena le 20% ngempela ejoyina ngempela. So ngoba yena opresentela abantu abaningi, le 20% yakhe abantu abaningi. I hope we understand, Diamonds. Please, now understand that, give me a number 5 in the comment section. Fakela u5 lapha ku-comment section mawuseyizwa ngempela ukuthi hayi ngiyakuzwa. So ngiyabona kunabantu abazikhondemayo aqanga ukuthi yena kwambhedela, yena kuyasha kwaqema. No, it's not wena unebhadi or wena kanjani kanjani cha. It's the numbers. Business is the numbers that talk. It's the numbers that talk. It's not intent or anything. It's about the numbers. If you understand my numbers, you will be successful in our business. Thanks, Juliet. Thanks, Absa, for understanding. Oh, Sophie, Michela. Thank you, Manish. Thank you, my leaders. Mary Vega, thank you. Okay, awesome. So, I hope now we understand that 98% abantu abajoyina le business, they are actually tourists. Bazongena, babheke, baphume. Abanye bazongena, babheka, bazi-enjoy i-product, ahlaliswe i-product. Thanks i-product, azithengele i-product ayidle, abe mnandi, abe muhle, abe healthy, le mndeni wakhe. But akabuildi but abekhona ebhizinisini, very important people labo abalulekile. And then ukhona uzorecruita yena 1 to 3 people. Then bakhona bazorecruita that 3 to 9 people. Bakhona bazofika ke ba-recruited 10 and more. Those are the people who are highly likely going to be successful. That's where your leaders will come from. Kulaba recruited 10 and keep building after recruiting 10 people. Keep recruiting and growing. So sifika kanjani to be in the top 10%, 2%, sorry, the top 2% yabantu abajoyine business network or business yaka forever. Number 1, iqala nge-who do you know list. I-name list. La urekhoda khona amagama abantu bonke owacollectile. So Diamonds, equation bayingaki la kule training tonight, singaki tonight abajoyinile. Please check i-participant list. Ucheck ama-downline wakho ukuthi ayingaki attendile tonight. Lokho kubalulekile nako ukuthi na bayingaki ama-downline wakho awa-attend ama-trainings, because abantu abaphumelelayo yilabo abanolwazi. So bayingaki abantu abapassionate ngokuthola ulwazi etimini yakho. Yikho futhi ukuzokutshela ukuthi na uzowaproducer yini ama-leader oba successful. Yiwo lama-training, bayingaki aba-attendayo. Bayingaki etimini yakho abasebenzisa lama-training, abasebenzisa i-WhatsApp, abanama-WhatsApp emafonini wabo. Those things ziyacounta nazo, my leaders. Ziyacounta. Bayingaki abantu abayisebenzisayo i-WhatsApp. Bayingaki etimini yakho abayisebenzisayo i-Zoom. Very, very important. Monitor those things. Bayingaki impela abanayo i-FNP 360. Abakhona ukubona ama-cash credit wabo, abayazini ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Very, very, very important, my leaders. So that is why always I recommend ukuthi when you join this training, yenza sure mawujoyina i-training lena uyenza sure ukuthi uvula participants and check the list. Ukuthi now, okay, naba abantu aba-attendile. Bayingaki abami lana abasetimini yami. Mabangekho, quickly, while ku-training, you can go to WhatsApp. While ku-Zoom, send them messages, forward the link. Ngoba seku-training ngeke usakhona mhlambe kubakhulumisa. If you know message or recordiwe or also ubhale previously that you can just forward. Uthi, my leader, I don't see you in the Zoom training. Please log in. Training yet go back. Wabathumelela bonke ama-downline wakho. Then ubakhuthaze to join. Because ufuna ama-downline attend ama-training. Mawuna ama-downline attend ama-training, uzobana more downlines aba-understand le business lisebenza kanjani. Mawuna abantu abaningana aba-understand ukuthi i-business lisebenza kanjani, uzothola leya 20% ye-understandayo ukuthi lisebenza kanjani iyenze. Abanye bazowazi kuphela, but they'll never act on it. They'll never do. They'll never do the activities. But there's this 20% yokuthi izofunda, yazi, yenze, ithola ama-results. Those are the top 2% ababa successful. Abafika ba-recruit 10 or more people in this business and become a success. So you want to have more people who join your team to attend trainings, because ufuna abantu bakhule ngolwazi etimini yakho ukuthi usheshe uthole labantu aba-actayo abayenza ama-activities. The more ama-downline ayenza ama-activities, the more uzoba nama-downline awaba the top 2%. Then that way you are going to build successful downlines. Ama-downline wakho ayawina, achieve ama-goals wabo, and now you will be very successful in our business. So attend let's training, but also check. Yebo ngeke uforce umuntu ukujoin ama-Zoom. Kuye ukuthi nawe uyafundiseka. Mara wena lwela ukuthi ama-downline akho anayo i-Zoom emafonini, bafundisa ukuthi i-downloada kanjani. Banayo i-FNP 360 emafonini, bafundisa ukuthi i-downloada kanjani. Bayisebenzisa i-WhatsApp nama-status nabo-story ku-Facebook nakubo-TikTok, bakhona ukusebenzisa ama-story nokuposta ama-videos kuwo wonke lama-networks. kubalulekile indlela esimanga kuphume emuntwini ukuthi wena umtrainile ukuthi uyayenza noma angayenzi akayenzi oyenzayo uzothola ama-results ongayenzi ngeke athole lutho but angeke akublame nawe wena uyenzile eyakho iphathi. That's what is key, leaders bakuza kuma-training nokumonitor. So like training ya tonight niyabona ukuthi important kangakanani ukuthi ungahlali ukhala ukuthi team yami ayisebenzi uzoqala u-understand the numbers ukuthi konje ama-number athi 98% yabantu abajoyina le business they are actually tourists. It's only 2% who are real business builders who become successful. So kanjalo you will always monitor the numbers and then ungasa complain no angakafiki kuma number ya right. I'll keep pushing until we hit those right numbers and start getting my results right. So very important, my leaders. Abanye baba frustrated because I understand the business. So after this training tonight, you understand your business. Makwenzeka izinto business lakho uya understand ukuthi why ula ukhona nokuthi kumele ufixe kuphi. Yiyo ibalekile. So who do you know list? Bayingaki my leaders abanayo incwadi erecorde notebook nazi mina ngitrainer ukuthi ube ne 2 choir notebook or 3 choir up to you ukuthi ufuna yipi. But 2 choir is what I recommend. Qala ngamagama abantu aba-100 kule 2 choir wakho. Abantu aba-100 ngoba laba abasefonini yakho ngoba uzo-add labo uzohamba uhlangane nabo ba-add sine memory jogger in our first steps to manage manual ezokhumbuza ukuthi ungakhohlwa abogogo kasibanibani bomalume kasibanibani abazali kasibanibani abosisi nabobhuti bakasibanibani. And then ukhumbuze ukuthi abantu ufunde nabo esikolweni abobani obakhumbulayo bafake encwadini yakho ukuthi usheshe ufike kule 100 and more names because le ncwadi yakho yamagama abantu nama number phone yiyo ozoyisebenzisa makufika ekuyenzeni ama-appointment makufike ku-inviteni abantu kuya kuma presentation kuya kuma success days yile ncwadi yakho ezokusiza ukuthola abantu abazoba ama-customer. Ile ncwadi yakho izokusiza ukuthola abantu abazoba ama-downline wakho ukuthi nawe uwele kuleya top 2%. So who do you know list ibaluleke ngendlela esimanga bakwethu ngeke usebenze from memory uthi ngizobakhumbula abantu ngeke usebenze from a phone uthi hayi ngizobakhumbula abantu mawuthola umuntu umsave efonini momsave efonini ungamazi umita for the first time umlahlile because mawukhohlwa igama lakhe ngeke usamthola. Mawuqala nje uba nabo 600 names efonini yakho abanye sesindlule kuma 2000s nabo kuma 3000 people kuma phone wethu. Mawurecorda umuntu ohlangane naye nje estradini wakunikeza igama lakhe nenamba umkhohliwe kungakho noma uzomsave efonini mqala ngokumbhala encwadini. So abangaziyo nginencwajana yami engihamba nayo okay kuphela ubukana yakhe inyane collect amavidiyo kayo I carry it around bangazi ngihlala nginepene ephakethini lami kunencwajana encane ngiyibambile ngihlala ngikhuthaza abomama ukuthi nina nama handbag uyakhona ukufaka incwadi yakho lapha ku handbag mawuhamba. So ungahambi nje ungaphathanga ipeni yokubhala amagama abantu. Okay bengicelile ngibambeleni kancane madam. Okay, Diamond, I'm back. Bengisayofunda incwadi yami because bengicela usizo ukuthi bakunikeze. Ile kwancwajana lokho ukuthola bo PNA, CNA maba sasekhona la ungakhona. Lokho kwancwajana lokho. Kukhona ukufida epocketini le shirt lami kuyangena, epocketini le bhruku kuyangena, and I always have a pen. Ukuthi mawuhlangana nomuntu kuma ngikhulume naye ngizothatha igama lakhe inamba yakhe nokuthi ngihlangane naye kuphi nini. Then ngicollecta ngayo le ngoba ikhona ukufita esikhwameni nepeni. And then mara mangifika endlini, then nginenokukhwaya i-notebook le ngitransfera kuyo lamagama. So then mase ngiyenza ama-appointment, ngivula le ncwadi yami lena yesibili, lena ikhona i-original engihlala ngilitraina ngayo mangiqala ibhizinisi laka-Forever. Bangifundisa lento ngingena kwa-Forever ngayenza. If onayo original nayo la aduse kuyasiza ihlala e-office. Nayo original, yabona i-original isithombe sayo bekuyisigubhu aloe vera gel lesiya sakudala. Hiyo original yami le ya Hood No Must Join Forever. Bathi siyenze ilona i-Hood No list. Hiyo Hood No list yokuqala, the original ones. Igama line-highlight lo muntu ujoyinile. Ungenesa prospect line encwadini wethu wa-end up ejoyinile une-highlight. Uyabona ukuthi i-first page ina 1 2 3 4 5 yabantu abajoyinile. Kuna 31, angithi kuyaza ama-line encwadini ayi-31. Out of the 31 names, kuna 1 2 3 4 5 ejoyinile. Ngizomtshela why. Check page number 2 ina 1 2 3 4 5 6 abajoyinile page number 2. Page number 3 ina 1 2 3 4 abajoyinile page number 3. I want you to see something. Page number 4 ayinayo the highlight one. Page number 5 ayinayo the highlight one. So niyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani. The higher you go, okay, kwenzakalani manje lana. The ncwadi yami. Okay. Kuna laba ngazange ngiba oshem ngibafaka ama-mark. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Kuna laba engaba-highlightanga. Ngifike ngaba-marka mabase bajoyina. Akuzange ngisebenzisa i-highlight. Kuna laba ngibamakile bajoyinile. Mara inamba iyayehla. Lekuqaleni benginabantu abaningi abajoyinayo. Yabona le page aninamuntu ejoyinile loyi-1. Why? Bengisebenza nabantu, bengisapresentela abantu engibaziyo. Lokho sikubiza ukuthi warm list. Abantu abangazi kahle or bazi mina or bazi inkosikazi. Basazi kahle labo. Yibo laba besibapresentela lekuqaleni. Yilabo esibabiza warm list. But as soon as singena kulaba bangasazi completely, inani labantu abajoyinayo liqala ukuyehla. Mawusa presentela abantu baziyo, abantu bajoyina ngobuningi ngoba akuthemba bakwazi. Mawuqala ungena kubantu abangakwazi usihlanganela nabo enoneni emall, uhlangane nabo mhlambe ephathini, enkonzweni, abasenkonzweni bakwazi. Emcimbini thizeni bewu-attendile uhlangane ne-stranger nje, inani labantu abajoyinayo linokuyehla. Why? Because labantu abakwazi, abakuthembi kahle, yabona. Kunomsebenzi kumele uniyenze omningi to build a rapport before they take action and join. Sizofika kulawo ma-training ukuthi senza kanjani kubantu aba-completely blank abangakwazi. Kwamanje yileyo type thina esiyi-recruitayo. Uqala kanjani ukwakha ubudlelwane nabantu labantu ukuthi bafike ku-level laba kuthemba khona, laba bazothatha i-action bajoyine. Very important. So now, mawupopulate who do you know list. Kumele kube na leya thukhwaya yakho ya who do you know list. Ufaka amagama abantu kuzo. one, Maigwala, you'll move to the second one. Very important. Mina always ngifaka isithombe esingikhuthaza ngibona besifaka the original one maybe isithombe sesigubhu, and then mangicala understand indaba zabo chairman's bonus manje sengiya kuncwadi number 2 uyabona inomuntu ubabiyela nonkosikazi wakuma uThabani noMbuso Biyela necheck labo bekuyilo lelikhulu ngo2011 bekuye the biggest check ngo2011 ibhalwe ngamadola laphana $234,000 US. So because bekusengine desire you qualify le daba zama-check manje it's also a vision board bese ngi-understand into zama-vision board, so ngafaka isithombe se-chairman's bonus because ngifuna kwenzani njalo uma ngisebenza kubona i-check le-chairman's bonus iyangikhumbuza my desire to achieve chairman's bonus. Nayibona ithi Diamond, I'm always working on my psychology, on my mind, on my brain, to brainwash myself to believe that I deserve to qualify chairman's bonus. And qualify my chairman's bonus ngoba nginenhlanhla. No. It's because I work physically, work at business lami, but I also work on myself psychologically. Kuthi build a mindset ekholwa ukuthi I deserve a chairman's bonus. Uzobona ukuthi kuma presentation slide wami kunama presentation slides yama check, actual physical check. Ngaze kuma one-on-one namanje akusana physical check, but kuma slide wami physical checks remain because they symbolize something for me. It's a vision board. Ngifuna ukubona iphupho lami njalo. Ngiyaziprogram kancane lana ukuthi ngikhole ukuthi I deserve a chairman's bonus check. What happened last year? We did achieve a chairman's bonus. After achieve my chairman's bonus saphuma, and then because of my challenges with business I rebuild, and then slowly walked back to chairman's bonus. But I remind myself about chairman's bonus every time mangenzi presentation. I remind myself every time mangbamba lencwadi yami yama customer and my name list yami. Ngiyazikhumbuza ngendaba le iphupho lami lokubamba icheck. Njalo mangenza presentation there's that slide, it's a multiple sources of income. Ukuthi okay konje I'm working this business to achieve multiple sources of income. Then uzoyenza ama-appointment yobonisa labantu business, and kuma Zoom ama-business owenza kuba Zoom yabamema babuya kule ncwadi yakho, obayenzela ama-one-on-one uset up i-appointment yohlala naye phansi umbonisa babuya kule ncwadi. Abantu ozobayenzela i-presentation ye-WhatsApp babuya kule ncwadi. Abantu ozobathatha uhambe nabo kuma-presentation la khona bona from contacting is masabafonela to invite or make an appointment. So we have a phonela kuba inviter or else uba meet face to face kuba inviter ukhuluma naye face to face, and then sizobabonisa business show umyenzele one-on-one uhlele naye phansi umpresentela, or else umthumela ku website or umthumela video or umthumela whatever tool yokumbonisa business esinayo, or else umthatha umisa ku live meeting. Last week, is it last week or so, or 2 weeks ago, bese product center sends a presentation as a product center. Ngay 22 zoba sakuyo lenyanga August zoba se product centers present. So yabona ukuthi ma u follow this cycle you will be successful. Then we have my presentation, business presentation. Our ends are live via Skype, Zoom, still part of showing the business. Then out of labantu babonisa business, bakhona bazojoyina, bakhona bazoba customer bathenga product, bakhona bangeke bayingene, ngeke athenga product ngeke ajoyine. It's not your fault when uyenza ipart yakho. When ufanele uzinikeze imark yokuthi ngi-inviteile ngimisile ku presentation. indaba ukuthi uyenzani after attendile akusiyona indaba yakho leyo, wena eyakho iphathi idlalile. Okwako ukuthi makathembisa ukujoyina mfake kwilist yakho yoma-follow up. Mangangeni ungamkhiphi encwadini zakho, usazom-invite futhi in future. Asilahle abantu ngoba sazi ukuthi impilo ivilo iyajikeleza, izinto zihamba zishintshe. Kusasa ungamangala lo muntu azojoyina. So abajoyinile bafundise le business. Action, set goals, do planning, train them, provide them training, coaching and support, because ufuna bangene kwa manager. Uyela manje ubafundise lama stats. Ukuthi okay, ni ujoyinile manje. Here are the statistics. Njengoba ujoyinile business, azi ke ukuthi kuleli business lethu kuba kwe sina uhlobo labantu abajoyine uhlobo labantu lingafani kubantu abajoyina le business. Wena kumele u-identify ukuthi weliphi ihlobo. Are you one of the 70% ejoyina ngathi inga-recruit nomuntu oyi-1? Ukule 20% ezo-recruiter only 1 to 2 people abe agcine lapho? Uzoba ku-5% ezo-recruiter between 3 and 5 people agcine lapho? Or uzoba kulaba aba-recruiter ku-3% e-recruiter 6 to 9 people? Or ke uyoba yena wamampela ozophumelela kule business uba ku-top 2% e-recruiter 10 or more people? Uyamkhanyisela suka phansi ebhandini umfundisa ukuthi sina 10 sina lehlobo labantu elu-5 elijoyinile le business. Njengoba ujoyinile nawe uwela la kulelona futhi ungayenza le training. Please someone screen grab, maningaka screen grab this page. Ngifuna ukwenzela umzekelo ukuthi sitrainer kanjani abantu bethu. I just prepared this training today, this morning. So nami angakakwenzi lokho ngikushoyo ngisazokuyenza njengani. Ngicela omunye a-screen grab that lelona. Then sizoyenza i-voice note. Share. Ukuthi we have these 5 types zama FBOs. Sinama tourists, sinama beginners, building laba basazama ukwakha, sina laba ba committed ekwakheni kodwa ke sibe nama business builders. Wena uwela kuphi kulama number? Wena ungakuphi kulama number? And uzimisele ukuba kuphi? Ungatholakala ukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi uthole ukuthi manje usaseyilona nje kuphela i-tourist kule top 70%, but igoal yakho wena ufuna ukuba le ku-2%, and uzimisele kuyifunda lento yakhe ube among the top 2%. Ayikho into ekulimitayo ukufika lapho ukuthi ungafiki. Uzofika kuya ngokuthi uyafuna yini. Umbuzo ukuthi uyafuna yini. If ufuna kuba kula 2% top 2% izoyenzeka. Angisho siyakutraina ukuthi kumele uyenzeni ukufika lapho. Silana siyakutraina ukuthi what you need to do to be in that top 2%. So wena ukuphi zikeje. So what we'll do, uzothumela le slide sona lesi kumuntu wakho oqeda ukujoyina, then we are explain ukuthi njengoba ujoyinile nje sinehlobo labantu abajoyine le business. So njengoba usasemusha ngifuna ukuthi usafika ngikuchazele lehlobo labantu abajoyine ibhizinisi ukuthi wena uzikhethele kusasemanje ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba kuphi.
And highly favored. The favor of God is
sorry kancane ngine phone call lana ngicela Sisibusi, you can unmute lapho. Mamsrod, you can unmute. Ukhulume ngokurecruiter, ukhuthaze ngokurecruiter while I'm quickly answering this call.
Hi, Diamond. Into engayikhuthaza ngakho ukurecruiter ukuthi kubalekile ngendlela esimanga ngifuna nje ukukhuluma kancane ngaso lesithathu wangisibona ukuthi sichaza khona ukuthi endeni uma ungena ebhizinisini yini into ebalekile ofanele uyenze. Ukurecruiter kubalekile kakhulu. Ukurecruiter ikhona okwenza ukuthi ukhulise ibhizinisi yakho, ikhona okwenza ukuthi endeni i-team ikhule, and then bese nimanisebenza as a team, and then kuzokhona ukuthi u-achieve whatever ufuna ukuyi-achieve, because ngeke uyi-achieve lese ngithi angeke uye kwa-manager uyi-one, but ungangena ka-supervisor uyi-one, because kwa-supervisor uyakhona ukuthi ungathenga istock, uthengise, ubuyele uthengise, ungena nge-10cc khona. But now uma usefanele uye ka-assistant manager kufanele ube ne-team, and then leyo team leyo ukuthi fanele ukurecruit abantu bangene ebhizinisini, because ama-point asafuneka lapho asemaningi ongeke wakhona ukwenza uyi-one. That is why ukuthi ukurecruiter kubalulekile kakhulu, ukuthi kufanele njalo sifake abantu ebhizinisini, and then sibafundise nabo ukuthi ba-recruit kwasabona, and then bakhone nabo ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi bamuve ama-level, because nabo noma sebengene ebhizinisini if banga-recruit nabo futhi ngeke baze bayindawo. Kushuthi kahle kahle ekuhambeni kwesikhathi bobona ngathi le nto abayenzayo ayikho, ibhizinisi le abayenzayo ayikho, because babona bahleli endaweni eyi-one, but bangaboni ukuthi inkinga ile lapha ekurecruiteni, ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukurecruit, kubaluleke kakhulu, because ikona okusizayo ukuthi ubuilde i-team, and then ube ne-team enkulu and ezokwenza ukuthi ukhona uku-achieve, and then ama-levels ofuna ukuwa-achieve. Okunye ngifuna ukukusho ukuthi yes, singa-recruiter, kula bantu esiba-recruiter-ayo sazi ukuthi kuzoba nehlobo lokuthi bazongena, and then abanye futhi bangenzile. So sometimes bazongena ukuthi just bakuphushe ukuthi ungene ka-assistant manager, and then bahlale phansi futhi ungena, abanye futhi bakuphushe ukuthi just nikhona ungena ka-manager, and then babuye bahlale phansi. So kufanele or noma behlala phansi nje bayizenzele nje bo-1cc or in. So ile kufanele sibile khona ufuna ukuthi okay kunalelo hlobo lelo ukuthi lizongena, and then ngathini lingajahanga ndawo, liyazirecruitela nje bafanele recruit, liyathenga nje mangabe lifanele lithenge i-products or i-products, but abajahe indawo, abafune angazi noma baya-understanda or abakali-understandi kahle ibhizinisi ukuthi lifune ukuthi urecruite, and then uwakhe ama-point, and then umuve i-level. But kulona hlobo kulelo zobe ulifakile kuzoba nalo hlobo longena lihlale phansi lingenzi lutho, or libe nala bazongena bathenga bo-1cc, but kufanele wazi ukuthi awumi because usurecruitile, lese unabantu abayi-10, bese hayi nginabantu abayi-10 ngisakwazi ukuqhubeka ukuthi ngiba-recruite futhi. So kufanele uqhubeke urecruite, because kufanele ukhumbule ukuthi ningabantu seningene ebhizinisini anifani, njengoba ngisho ngithi kuzanalo abazongena bahlale, kuzanalo abazongena futhi baphuthe, yabona. So ukuze ungakhaleli ukuthi ngirecruitile but abantu bakhona abasebenzi, yiyo le eyenza ukuthi-ke recruiter njalo sithi fanele ureplace umuntu asasebenza. So siyesho khona lokho ukuthi likhona le hlobo ezofele lisebenze lihambe endleleni likhathale, but if ye wama unga-recruit shuthi usale ungena-team. That is why fanele uphushe urecruiter njalo. So ku-recruiter guys kubalulekile kakhulu ma-Diamond, kubalulekile kakhulu ukuthi nje uhlale urecruiter, and then kuleyo recruitment uJehova muhle uyomangala akukhiphele i-Diamond eliyofika lisebenze liphushe uzibone ungena fast ka-manager if ungakangena ka-manager, or uzibone nje ibhizinisi yakhe itshintsha ngenxa nje yomuntu oyi-one ewangena ebhizinisini and then wagijima. So asipheli mandla eku-recruiting. Impela sipheli imali, singaba-recruiter abayi-5, singa-recruiter 10 ngenyanga eyi-1, because kule 10 ngenzeka kusebenze 2, uyabona. So singathi mina senginabantu abangaka ngi-recruiter nginabantu abangaka, kula bantu labo ubheke ukuthi bayasebenza na. So yingakho ukuthi siyaba-recruiter besasebenza, and then senzele ukuthi kusasa singakhala sithi sibafakile but abasebenzi. So yilokho-ke engakusho.
Okay, thank you so much, Mam Scott. Riyaleboga kakhulu, riyaleboga, siyabonga kakhulu. Ukusebenza I mean ku-recruiter kubalulekile ma-Diamond. So sometimes kubantu ucaba uthi hayi mina i-team yami ayisebenzi. Mara ma-understand lama number ila uzobona khona ukuthi ekahle angina-team. Ungabi kwari ngicaba ukuthi ke mhlawumbe mina nginebhadi or something. No, anginabhadi ukuthi abantu bami abasebenzi. It's just that angakabi nama-number enough to have the numbers of people that can actually come and build. Scientifically studies zithi abantu abakha i-team i-business network baphumelele yilabo abawela kule top 2% aba-recruite more than 10 people kuya phezulu. Ma ungakafiki kuleya 10 kuya phezulu, ama-chances wakho ukuba ne-team successful aphansi kakhulu. We are still within the tourist regions ze-business. Sasileke category leya yama-tourist ebhizinisini. So, but akusho ukuthi kune something wrong ngawe cha. There's nothing wrong ngawe. Kuya just nge-decision ozoyenza ukuthi okay, now kisile ngiya-understand that this thing network ukuthi isebenza kanjani. I just need to go all out eku-recruiting ngifike ku-10. Ngazi ke mangisengidlula u-10 ukuthi sengiyakha ke manje. Amathuba wami ukuphumelela yakhula mangize ngidlula abantu abawu-10 ngiya phezulu. Kuthola ama-leader azofika asebenze ayakhula mangifika ku-10 ngikala ngiya phezulu ngithi 15 ngithi 20 ngithi 30 ngithi 40 ngithi 50. Ngizoba nabantu abasebenzayo kuyenzeki udlule u-10 uye phezulu ungabi nabo abantu abasebenzayo abafika ba-recruiter. Abanye babe powerful ba-recruiter kundlula wena. So abantu bayazinyeza or else azi-blame ngathi kune something wrong ngaye. It's because anga-understand these numbers. Waze wa-understand these numbers, Diamonds, ngeke usazishaya uzibhekele phansi ucanga ukuthi kukhona oku-wrong ngawe. There's nothing wrong ngawe. Nawe ungaphumelela. Just focus ekutholeni abantu ozobapresentela. Ngale ndlela ukhuluma ngayo akudingeki uzokhuluma njengobaba uSkhodi, umama uSkhodi, usisibusi or ubani leader banismani. Cha. Ngale ndlela ukhuluma ngayo bakwethu, I'm telling you, kunabantu abazoza wena ngale pitch yakho ye-voice ngendlela ukhuluma ngayo. And i-presentation akudingeki ize ibe formal bakwethu, ithi company history, products, marketing plan. Ngale ndlela ukhona ukubekela umuntu ngendlela umazi ngayo mangathi ukhuluma nomuntu omaziyo. If uthola ukuthi no uthole wamazi lo muntu mani lona ufuna ufundisa abantwana bakhe ku-private schools. Umfunela iy'tori zabantu baka-forever abafundi abakhipha abantwana babo emalokishini babayise emadorobheni. Umsherele iy'tori zalaba abantu. abantu mhlawumbe ungambonisa nokumbonisa mhlawumbe kuma-social media uyambonisa uthi yabona lona kwenzeke lokhu nalokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Just share stories. Kufana nokuthengiseni kwe-product bakwethu. Facts tell, but stories sell. Abona ukuthi ushaye bobaba Daisy Smila i-aloe vera laphana ilapha ina 200 active compounds, 75 nutrients, 18 amino acids, 20 minerals and 12 vitamins. Lokhu kubalulekile kusounda nice, but for i-customer abaningi yebo bakhona nyana abafundile ukwenza iscience kubo. Majority of them akwenza iscience lokho. Okubalulekile ukuthi imiyenzelane isize bani. Mawungamtshela istory sokuthi wazi nami benginale nkinga so umama bekenenkinga so u-auntie banale challenge or i-customer lami belinale challenge ngamthekisa le group wayiphuza after 2 weeks wangitshela lokho. After a month wangitshela lokho. After 2 months wangitshela lokho. Mawuneyithombe mhlambe zama-testimonial umbonisa ima-testimonial uqale ala bona after 2 weeks or 3 weeks or after 2 months ula. That's what matters for a lot of people. Bafuna ukwazi mangithenga le product yakho what are the benefits that I'll see. Mangijoyina le business lab, what are the benefits that I'll see. Mona uma results mina ngithe mangijoyina ngakhona ukuthi ngithengisele box yami within 3 weeks ikhombo yami beyiphelile. Within first month ngijoyinile leya khombo beyiphelile sengijoyinise umuntu or mawuye wahola nele mali yokujoyinisa ungayila ubufakazi bakho lokuthi ngithe ngijoyina kule nyanga ngajoyina kuyo ngakhona ukujoyinisa bona ngathola 1693 rand or 1600 what rand mangijoyinisa umuntu wami ukuqala. Ubufakazi bakho bama result wakho awukakafiki lapha kokuthenga izindlu zabo 5 million wena usase ekutholeni ko 1693 rand. Ufakazi bakho lokho i-achievement yakho leyo that you can share your story. Yeah, I need to join in my very first month ngikhona ukuthengisa so much. Look, when you listen to my presentation you know ukuthi after 3 weeks since the launch, and in that launch sathengisa ama-products more than 3,000. Mawuke wamamele presentation yami, know that story because I share it everywhere. That's what we have achieved. You cannot take that away from me. That's what we achieved. 4 months down the line, I'm manager. That's our results. Sinoba Bundlovu. His story kuti kumthathe 10 years kungena kwa manager. But he stayed in the business. He believed in the business. He saw people succeeding. He never gave up. He told himself he's going to succeed. And after 10 years, he became a manager. He's one of the successful leaders esinabo manje ku business laka forever. Because he never gave up. Sinabantu abangene kwa manager after 2 years. Sinabangene after 5 years. Sinabuba uZulu abangene after 10 years. Lokho kukutshela ukuthi as long as you don't give up, uyifuna ngempela lento uyifuna uzoyithola. And ungazi judge based ngokuthi ubani uachieve ini. Sebenzisa ama-achievement abantu as motivation, as inspiration. Ungazinyezi ubone ngathi kune something wrong ngawe ngoba wena awu-achievanga ngabo 4 months, 5 months, ngabo 2 years. Usona 5 years ebhizinisini but awukangeni kwa-manager. There's nothing wrong with you. Because kunesikhathi la ujoyina khona ibhizinisi le. But kunesikhathi la leli business lingena kuwe. Those are 2 different days. Kunesikhathi sokujoyina forever. Kunesikhathi la forever akungena khona. La khona uqala ukubona ukuthi hey lento will make my dreams a reality no matter what. As long as I don't give up, I will win. The day that day arrives, I'm telling you, you become unstoppable. You will be unstoppable and you are going to achieve everything you set yourself to achieve, to go out and achieve kule business like forever. So where are you kule pyramid yethu? Usase kule 70% ku 0 tourist, 0 recruit, 1 to 2 beginner, 3 to 5 building, 6 to 10 committed, 10 plus business builder. Where are you? They identify. There's nothing wrong ukuba le number 1 ku 0. As long as was ukufuna ukuya ku 10 plus and become a business builder and start building vigorously until you achieve all your dreams and goals. Because all you need, yes, ungaba kule ku number 1 ku 0, u tourist, ungaba a beginner, ungaba a builder, ungaba someone who's committed. But you can, all of you, all of us in this meeting, we can reach 10 plus and become business builders. Because Kuba, among the top 2%, where the real journey begins, we just need to follow this simple recruiting cycle. This is the journey. Simple steps, real conversations, life-changing opportunity. Life-changing opportunities. So, ikala gopi lapana ku who do you know list. Every day, you will have 2 or more names that you add to your who do you know list. Ukala ngabantu by 100. Mawuqeda ukujoyina, hlala phansi ubhale left, right, and center, bakhiphe efonini, ukele and the family ukusize, family members, abantwana bakho bakukhumbuze amagama. Ngibosisi wakho bangakabi nabantwana nabobhuti abakukhumbuza amagama abo abantu ofuna ukuba-add ukuthi usheshe ufike kule 100 plus. Mawungakafiki ku-100 hlala phansi ubhale amagama afike ku-100 undlule. Abanye bazokutshela qala nge-200. Because mawufika ku-100 le 100 iphela very quick, and keep adding new names ukuthi ungarani out of names. Kune training on YouTube like Jane Leach, how never to run out of names. Please, omunye angangithaphela yona ku comment section, how never to run out of names. Ibhale phansi, then ufune laphana ku YouTube, how never to run. Nama ngakukhumbula ngizoyifuna ngishare. Then watch that training. Jane Leach, she's a diamond manager yase UK. Abantu abangamazi uJane Leach. Top trainer, the same person who developed our first steps to manager manual. Uye nomyeni wakhe usewundlule emhlabeni, usewandlule emhlabeni ubaba kwakhe uJohn Curtis. Bayibo ababhale bayi-2 babhala le ncwadi ethi first steps to manager manual. Esisebenzisayo ukutrain. Yona le page, le recruiting journey lena ibizwa recruiting cycle. First steps to manager manual. Yibo abayidesignile lento. But at the center of these activities is your why. Why you join forever? Your dream, leya moto yakho, leya muzi wakho, leya dream income yakho, leya 10 million rand, 20 million rand chairman's bonus check yakho, leya plus lakho njengami njengoba ngifuna iplus manje, leya triple story house yakho yaseSandton or bolona le Cape Town. What is the best place in Cape Town? There are many places in Cape Town ezinhle. Yeah, yona le andlu yakho leya dream lona location ofuna ukuhlala kulona, leya top class suburb yakho ofuna ukuhlala kuyo, yiyo laphana kuleya center. Leya dream car yakho, leya trip yakho ukuya eHonolulu eHawaii, yiyo laphana kuleya why wakho. And then ugijima wazi uqeda amagama abantu because ufuna lo why wakho. Ucontact abantu because ufuna lo why wakho. You are showing, doing one-on-ones, usumela abantu ama-website, live launches, uyabamema ezindleni for ma-presentation, lo why wakho akumotivate, uya kuma-presentation, mema abantu kuma-presentation, uya-organize ama-presentation because ile why wakho. Uma base bajoyinile, uyabafundisa ukuseta ama-goals, niyaplana, uyenza ama-trainings because ufuna uku-achieve lo why wakho. So everything esiyenzayo kule business isiza uku-achieve our why. So where are you kule pyramid yethu? So my diamonds, any questions? Ufuna uku-add, ufuna ukubuza, please feel free to unmute and ask. Because I'm telling you, mawuqala u-understanda lokhu, uhambe ukuhamba phela forever. And ngeke usacomplain ukuthi i-team yami ayisebenzi, uthola ukuthi uyastressa ngabantu abangasebenzi. Akusiyi-fault yakho ukuthi abantu abasebenzi ubajoyinisile. Wena uyenza iphathi yakho ubajoyinisile. Then okungakwenza kuphela kuba-trainer ukuthi liyenzwa kanjani, kuba-check-a ukuthi bakhona kulama-training, that's it. Ungudlula lokho akusekho kunye ungakwenza, kuba-trainer kuphela, kuba-coacha kuphela, kuba-supporta, that's it. Uphelela lapho. Training, coaching and supporting. So ukuthi umuntu uyafundiseka kuphuma kuye. Umuntu uyayenza kuphuma kuye. As long as wenze yakho irole yokumfundisa, umcoache and then umsupport. Then keep on churning the numbers, bringing in more people. Fika ndlula 10 loya, uye ku-15, uye ku-20, uye ku-30, awunamanga man. Uyoze ubathole ama-eagle phakathi kwale number. Noma kanjani uzobathola. And ufika kanjani ama-presentation, ukollecta amagama abantu present, collecta amagama abantu, whether uyabheda, noma ungabheda abantu abayinafu, leya 20% end up ayijoyinile, isazojoyina. Ucheck the top recruiters, mongamnikeza the whole marketing plan, uthi explain. Majority of them abakhona we explain. The presentation from the history to the products to the marketing plan. Abaningi balama top recruiters naswa forever. Ngeke ayishaye formally ngendlela edesignwe ngayo. But still, we recruit more people, sell more products, and build more managers. It's because it's not about being good kule business lethu, it's about the numbers. Ukhuluma nabantu abayingaki ngesuku. Ukhuluma nabantu abayingaki ngeviki. Ukhuluma nabantu abayingaki ngenyanga. If you focus on the number, ngikhuluma nabantu abayingaki every day, ngikhuluma nabantu abayingaki every week, ngikhuluma nabantu abayingaki every month, ngibapresentele, ngibathathe ngibayise kuba presentation, ngiba invited. I'm telling you, you'll see your luck start to change. The luck start to change. Uzobona ukuthi abantu aba successful, they are always busy. They are always talking to people. I could work with me business all the time. Sometimes they're just breaking the ice. There are a lot of people that didn't know me. But they didn't know ukuthi forever for isikashana ngisolo bangazi. Ngixoxa nabo baze bangijwayele. Ngize ngithola ithuba loku-introduce forever. Mangine opportunity nomuntu ukuthi la sizobonana more often ngakha ubudlelwane naye azangazi. And then ngiyazi ukuthi masoloko sihamba kuzofika la khona ibhizinisi ingena khona. Umzekelo uSis Priska sihlangana ebholeni ubuya sonke ekhaya eBush. Siqale ngokwazana ebholeni sikhuluma indaba zebhola. Azange sikhuluma ibhizinisi laka forever from the onset. Masibonana besikhuluma indaba zabantwana, sesazana ukuthi sibuye eBush sonke. Until an opportunity yafika la khona ngikhona uku-introduce ibhizinisi. Bese sazana ngaleso sikhathi. Yebo, some opportunities nabantu ayikuvumeli lelo luxury yesikhathi yokuthi nizobonana every week, 3 times a week. Kumele usheshe uthola indlela ukuthi ubreaka kanjani the ice, ubuild ubudlelwane that eventually lead to the business conversation. But as uzoze uyimaster lento waze waqala wayipractice, at some point uzoyimaster and you're going to win. You'll be among the top 2%, about recruited 10 and more who keep recruiting. So there's nothing wrong about your team if kwamanja unabo abantu abasebenzayo. There's nothing wrong about you if mhlambe nawe usasele tourist or ulaphana ku beginner or ulapha ku building or committed. It's just that now you didn't know, now you know. Let's work this. Let's all build to get to that top 2%. Sibe business builders and start winning. So achieve our dreams. Bakwethu, Give me number 10 in the group section. If uzwile, if ufuna uku-add, ufuna ukubuza, please unmute, ubuze, u-add. You are all welcome. Go ahead, my leader.
Oh, sanibonani.
Yes,
Hello,
yes,
Tata.
leadership. Where?
Kunjani lapha?
Siyaphila tata, wena njani?
Siyaphila man. Hayi, ngithi hayi no man, ngizwile from start to finish, ne? And I'm satisfied ngayo yonke lento ngoba I was getting worried myself, man. Ukuthi why business yangathi is slow. Bengingablame abanye abantu man, ngiziblame mina ukuthi yini le ningayenziyo engekho right. Uyabona?
Okay.
So sengiyajabula ukuba ndibona zonke lama steps la owafakileyo ukuthi it's not me fault yam or my members fault. It's just nje it's a period yesikhathi ukuthi bakhona isikhathi ukuthi iyosebenza bekho isikhathi ukuthi izinto ziyoba slow. Azihambi ngendlela eyi-one izinto yabona, angazi ukuthi uyandiva na tata. I don't know if I'm making sense, but okwamanje, as I'm looking about Victoria's beginners in building, okwamanje sazibeka la ku-number 6 committed, but number 10 khona ngizongena khona come rain come sunshine. But what endifuna ukusho ukuthi I'm satisfied. It's a bit andikhona ubhala, angazi kwenzakalani kule chat what yam yafuna ubhala mara ayimvumeli. But that's a story for another day. That's a story for another day. Athi ngiyeke lapha and then enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you so much for your contribution, Tata. Siyabulela, enkosi. Hayi, inkonto wrong, Tata. It's just the numbers. Work the numbers, they will work for you at some point. They'll start responding positively. Any other one? Just unmute, please, my leaders. Unmute, go ahead. Leaders, sound is sharp. Awesome, Robert, siyabonga for your response. Okay, my leaders. Selma. Soweto. Iyawuqala nganesho. Ikwareji. Tate Khomo. Iwuqaletse nganesho.
Dumelang. Yes, yeah, Mr. Skodi Utlwagetsi. I think from what you have said, I've actually identified my own weakness as well. To be honest, yeah, I don't speak to a lot of people. That's another thing that I don't do, which I must start doing. And I don't get to write people's names. Normally, one of the mistakes that I do, I tend to give people my business card instead of taking their numbers. And I should have taken their numbers, not me giving them my business card, So those are some of the mistakes that I need to fix.
And when you give them take their number and give them your number. But always it's going to be you who contact them, not the other way around.
The other way around, yes. No, I mean, I'm talking even in terms of the product itself. Sometimes you talk to somebody and they say they're interested in the product. And instead of taking their number and making a follow-up, I would give them my business card because the person said it's interested. And obviously they'll disappear, they won't come back, So it's one of those things those habits that I need to change. And perhaps you also need to learn the approach. When you approach a person, how do you get them to be interested in what you are saying?
Those are some of the things that we cover in these trainings. We cover those kind of things. Millionaires Day, go the training for Albertine. That those are the kind of things. How do you approach people? How do you break their ice? Do practical things. So we cover them on these trainings. Or how do you approach and stuff? So, but I'm glad, or at least I wanted today's training. You can identify. There's actually nothing wrong with me or my business. It's just that I lack there and there. So this is the real aim of these trainings, or identify the information which, when you apply it, will help you develop skills.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah. Because to be honest, a day can go by Kisabalala Mutuka business, which I think it's one of the, which is, I think it's a bad thing, if I can put it like that, because it means if every topic you should be able to break the ice and bring in the topic your business, or even if the president is gonna say no, it's fine, but at least the more no's you get, that will also build your confidence as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, so far that's what I can say. Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much for your contribution, Tate Homo. Highly appreciated.
Okay then.
224664. 224664. That's what we see this side. You can unmute and ask or add, please, if you can. 224664. Oh, I was Agnes. What can I contribute? I'm going to unmute. Agnes Ramonoch. A lot of people are unable. How's Juliet? Leadership, Mpumalanga, Sekunda. We are going to unmute the leadership. Good evening.
Yeah, Baba Skodi ngithi siyabonga i-training yanamhlanje. Ngikhonile nami ukubona la ngilekha khona nala ngenza khona amaphutha. So from today nami ngizolungisa amaphutha ngoba ayimaningi vele. So ngiyathemba ukusukela kwanamhlanje kuzoba nomehluko nje emsebenzini esiwenzayo.
Awesome.
Ngoba wona amaphutha maningi futhi nje bengasazi understand ukuthi yimi engenzi kahle ibhizinisi or kwenzakalani, kodwa since usenzisile le training leya namhlanje ngiyakhona ukubona ukuthi kukuphi la emele ngisebenze kona kakhulu, kukuphi emele ngikulungise.
Awesome. Well done for joining. Abona kuyasiza ukungena kulama training.
Kakhulu.
Awesome. So yabona mawufaka wakha i-team yakho uzoyifundisa ama-training abalulekile. Yiwo azokwenza ukhule, yiwo azokwenza uphumelele. Awesome.
Kakhulu Scott. Okay bafisa.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Awusilerato wakhona unmute ngoniso.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Leadership.
Good evening, Manesu Rauka.
Di a thusa di-training ke nnete gore motho o ipone gore o leka kae, o strong go kae, and le gore o etse se e leng gore o a se rutwa ka nnete. So ka nako nngwe fele o ipone ka re ga o etse tsone. So ha o na le batho ba e leng gore gale ba tsamaya tsela, you'll see gore you're not alone, o e leng gore o kopana le ntho tse e leng gore o nana ka you're not doing the business correctly. So yeah, the business is about numbers. So ke hona gore motho o itekole gore ke hokae and o tiise gore o kgothale, o ska felwa ke matla ha o bona kare ha o etsege hantle. It's important gore re attend the training ka nnete ya re thusa.
Ibiyalo ngwanesi, ibiyalo ngwanesi. Oh, thank you. Re a leboha haholo for your contribution. Thank you, my leaders. I can see a lot of leaders. Mom Rebecca, unmute. You were the first one to join tonight. And we are still here right at the end. Okay. Robert Dictin Michengo, are you able to unmute? Please feel free. If you are not able to unmute, don't worry. We know it is late.
My leader ngikhona. As ushilo, my leader, with this training, it's scary, really. It's not scary as such, but it's training. It's giving us hard points that did we make the decision that we want to do this for the long run, or we just want money, or what is your why? Is your why big enough for this business? Do we really want to go for the long run? And for me, it's a yes. But therefore, if it's that, to pull up my socks and also get in and also fix my mistakes, because I can see there's a lot of red flags. Like I said in Lamgut, no, I have to fix this and this. Yes, the season has been quite a tough, but in business do have these problems that la ahlangana khona amabhizinisi aney'nkinga ezinjalo. But kufuneka ukuthi senzeni ukwenza ukuthi when they come again, are we ready for it? We must make it a lesson learned. Sengivele ngikhumbula le training lesayenze Albertson last ukuthi acknowledge the noise and all that, but despite all that, how are you gonna move forward? Do you really want to become successful in this business? We should take the steps. And now usibekela wona, and it's inginikeza levavavoom nje. It's like my network is bad, mara le recording ngathi ngizoyiphinda ngiyibukele, my leader. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu leadership. Thank you so much. Angazi ukhona amunye ngimjampile. Leadership lindiwe mnyakeni ngathi ke ngakubiza before. I'm not sure, leadership. Please, if you are able to unmute, you can go ahead. I know Thelma, I did call her. She was unable to. Mamsho, do you have any last words before we close tonight's training?
Engakusho nje ukuthi asihambeni or masizifuneni thina la sileka khona, then sikwazi ukulungisa ukuze sikwazi ukwakha ibhizinisi yethu ngendlela e-right, and then sikwazi ukukhulisa ibhizinisi yethu. So ngishilo before ukuthi kubalulekile kangakanani ku-recruit. I-recruitment nje iyona ebalulekile ngendlela esimanga, singasabheki ukuthi sinabantu already sibafakile. Zithathe njengathi awuna-team and then uqalele phansi u-recruit, yikona okuzosisiza kakhulu. So kusaqala nje inyanga, make siyiqale ngendlela e-right. Wonke umuntu azitshele nje ukuthi maybe azisethele i-target yakhe ukuthi mina ngifuna at least uma kungenzeka 1, 2, 3 ebhizinisini yami. So uphushe ngendlela ozibekele ngakhona wena i-target ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ini, ufuna uku-achieve ini. Konke kuzohamba kahle and konke kuzophumelela. So masiphusheni ma-diamond, and ngiyakholwa ukuthi uJehova unathi, and then konke esikudingayo kuzofezeka. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much, Diamond. Thank you, Ms. Khodi, for your contribution. I believe now masuka la siyosebenza akekho sazosiblame or ablame i-team yakhe. Uzofocusa kuma-numbers and build your way up to a business builder. And at some point, we'll start seeing the results. Thank you so much, leaders. Thank you so much for joining tonight's session. I hope you have learned something that will help you transform your business. Good evening.